I've got some really fun, interesting facts to tell you about one of my favourite plants. This is the Fatsia. We have two different types here at YouGarden. This is my favourite, which is Fatsia spider's web, but we've also got the Fatsia Japonica. Now, when you look at these, I think you'll agree, you imagine it's a really difficult tropical plant to grow in the UK, but that couldn't be further from the truth, because these actually come from countries like Japan, South Korea, Taiwan, so they're actually used to fairly cold winters with lots of rain, and actually they are perfect for the UK climate. And I want to show you the structure of the leaves because this really explains why they do so well. So just have a look at this. You've got a really big glossy leaf. Now that glossy finish protects the leaves from frost, so they're hardy to between -10 even -15. But also, when it rains, the rain literally bounces off. And then if you look at the shape, you imagine if there's a really bad sort of wind, the wind isn't going to break the leaves, it's literally going to pass through. So these are great for coastal plants as well. Now, what I find remarkable is the fact that they do really well in shady areas, because naturally these will grow in mountain foothills and valleys. So yes, they do great in the shade. And don't forget, with the Fatsia, not only have you got this gorgeous evergreen lush foliage all year round, but you get wonderful white flowers in the wintertime, followed by berries. So it is one of my favorite plants. And if you want that really lush kind of tropical jungle feel in your garden, but with no hassle, this is one of the easiest plants to grow in the UK.